last week on BiRD News.
Isla says the Dimes are behind all this. They must be using another weather orb.
Panjura, here I come. So this is Panjura? I really don't get the hype, but how do I get down? Gale? Anyone?
I've detected another storm signature, and this one is a lot stronger.
We need to deal with this now. All of us.
This doesn't look right. This does not look right at all.
It cost me Riparia. Now it's gonna cost them everything.
They're all here, boss. What do I do?
Activate the perimeter.
Mo is still down there.
Collateral damage.
Mo, no!
No!
Gale, everybody, get out of there!
Everyone, stay together.
Where's Ramford?
Oddly enough, I feel it's probably a good thing he's not here.
For his sake or ours?
Both?
This looks bad.
It looks like the mayor is at it again.
Or your cousin.
Or perhaps both.
I'll get help.
Everybody else, follow me.
You wouldn't think that's possible, but I'm starting to believe that this portal was a bad idea.
Is everyone still alive?
Really wish there was still water here.
It can't end like this. I still haven't seen hot springs.
I told you this wasn't a vacation.
You! What are you doing here?
Wait! I'm trying to stop this.
You caused this.
No! The mayor caused it. He used the button to start the reaction. If I can get to it, I can stop it.
And why should we believe you?
Because if you don't, we all die.
I really don't like this plan.
You're the only one who can fly out of here. You're gonna have to take him.
Try anything and I'm dropping you.
Pathetic. You die over a mini dime?
He's all I've got.
Suit yourself.
Knew it was you.
You again.
Us again. Raptors, attack!
Mo!
Boss!
You were helping him.
Wasn't my idea.
The button, now!
Gale is gonna be so mad. Unless she's...
You really did it this time, Plague Rat.
mad? Can you get me down?
I can, but you have to stop breaking my game.
You know I can't make that promise. But if there's still time to help them, I gotta try.
I know. Let's get you home.
Boss, the button's stuck!
We need your help. You can kill us later. Let's go.
Put out the fire!
Hurry, Mo!
I'm trying! I got it, boss!
again you lose, former mayor.
I told you I don't lose. I changed the game.
It's Ramford.
He's alive.
I can explain everything. Mostly.
Doubt it.
Best vacation ever.
Seriously?
Panjura? This does change the game.